Good morning. Pagsasanay para sa hypothesis testing. First step ng hypothesis testing ay kukunin ang null hypothesis at alternative hypothesis or i-identify natin based on the statement given from the problem. So, ang ating symbol ng null hypothesis ay h sub 0 at ang ating alternative hypothesis ay h sub 1. Sa ibang reference ay h sub o at saka h sub a. Alternative yung h sub a. H sub a. So, tandaan sa h sub o na null hypothesis, yung mga ginagamit nating symbol dyan ay yung equals, yun namang alternative, not equal, kabaliktaran. Laging nasa alternative hypothesis yung mga symbol na greater than, less than, yun namang equals ay nasa null hypothesis. Kasi ang ating null hypothesis, it is a statement that there is no difference. So, between population parameter and the value that is being claimed. So, maaari din naman gumamit ng greater than or equal to dito. Depende sa statement. Or less than or equal to. Pero, lagi tandaan, meron laging equal. Okay? Laging equal. So, number 1, a lecturer claims that his students scored an average of. Yan. Equals na yon. So, nasa null hypothesis. So, supervisor wants to know whether the lecturer's claim is acceptable or not. So, kung hindi equal, ang ating alternative is not equal. Ganun lang po ang ating alternative hypothesis. Dito sa number 2, a car manufacturer claims that the mean selling price of all cars manufactured costs only 80,000 pesos. So, ito ang ating null hypothesis. Ang ating alternative hypothesis ay nakadepende doon sa statement. A consumer agency wants to test whether the mean selling price of all cars manufactured exceed. Pag sinabing exceed, hindi equal yon. So, greater than ang symbol natin. Okay? So, number 3. Ito tayo sa number 3. Ayun na atang mag-number. Ayan. So, a manufacturer of juice claims that all labeled 1.5 liter bottles contain an average of 1.49 liters of soft drinks. A retailer wishes to test whether the mean amount of juice in labeled 1.5 liter juice is less than. Pagka may nakita kayong word na less than, so agad-agad maisip nyo yung nasa alternative hypothesis. So, mean is less than that 1.49. So, yung ating null hypothesis at is equal sa 1.49. Depende sa problem. Tignan nyo yung problem. Ang nakalagay kasi dito, manufacturer claims na 1.49. So, null hypothesis, ang sabi doon sa pangalawang statement, is less than. So, alternative hypothesis. So, mayroon pa tayong pagsasanay. Ito pa, 1 to 3. Sige. The mean annual income of workers who are college graduates is greater than 100,000 a year. So, paano natin ma-develop or ma-identify yung null hypothesis? H sub 0, semicolon. Ganito ang pag-develop o pag-identify, mu. So, nakalagay naman dyan is greater than. So, hindi siya sa null hypothesis ilalagay yung is greater than. Nasa alternative hypothesis. So, mu is greater than, ito symbol natin, 100,000 a year. Okay? So, pwede lagyan ng peso sign. So, kapag ka greater, siyempre, ang ating null hypothesis ay, ito ay equals sa 100,000. Okay? Pesos. Kasi doon sa acceptance and rejection region, magkaiba yon yung portion nito. Sa susunod na mga videos ay madidiscuss ko yung ibang steps. Ito kasi step 1 pa lang doon sa hypothesis testing. Okay? So, dito tayo sa number 2. The percentage of women who watches sports on TV is not, siyempre, alternative hypothesis agad yun, is not 40% as claimed by the researcher. Yung ating alternative hypothesis, H sub A, tandaan yung parameter dito, yung symbol na gagamitin natin ay hindi siya mean, kundi yung percentage or P. Kasi yung percentage kasi proportion yan. So, merong topic sa grade 11 na proportion. So, ito ay is not. So, ito ang ating symbol, is not equal sa 40%. Siyempre, kapag ka not equal yung alternative hypothesis, ang ating null hypothesis ay P is equal to 40%. Ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Okay? So, number 3. A random sample of 60 working students was taken in order to determine whether the average age of working students different from 19 years. Pag sinabing different, not equal yon. So, yung not equal, nakapaloob yun sa alternative hypothesis, H sub 1 or H sub A. Ang null hypothesis, yung there is no difference, di ba? So, equals yon. So, mu is equal to 19. Yung isa naman, mu is not equal to 19. Okay? So, sa susunod na mga videos ay karugtong ng step 1, that is step 2. Ito kasi ay step 1 pa lang sa hypothesis testing. Okay? Bilang sa sum up or generalization, sa null hypothesis, ang ating mga symbol ay mayroong equals. Yung alternative hypothesis naman ay not equal. Okay? So, greater than, less than, yan yung mga symbol for nakasama doon sa alternative hypothesis. Okay? Na involved doon sa parameter na mu or sa P or percentage doon sa specific value. Okay? So, paki-share and paki-subscribe para makatulong tayo sa mga incoming grade 11 students. Hypothesis testing. Bye-bye!